I wore a black long sleeve shirt. That was a bad idea. So we live at about 800 South, and my girlfriend just points at the window and there's a big plume of smoke. We came down to spectate, and it was kind of interesting to see the community come together and just kind of watch this kind of horrifying thing happen.
Hey, Madden. Good. Over here, doofus.
So my dad was a fireman for 30 years, so we've talked about this stuff a lot. I'll be honest, I find fires kind of really cool. It's interesting to watch. I mean, you hate to see the destruction, but it's a very interesting thing that happens. And then you have the firefighters that are out here in 100-degree weather, fully geared up, you know, putting their lives on the line to save buildings and people. That's really who deserves all the credit here.
I'm sure they're like a lobster ready to go into a pot right now.
We matched our record temperature yesterday. We can't be too far off today. Seeing the power lines, how they're twisted, and talking to people. Some people have no power.
Oh.
I mean, the power flickered a couple of times and then it went completely out, and pretty much we're disabled from doing any business at all. One of our employees came and yelled at us to move our cars because we park in the back parking lot right next to where the fire was. Lots of big orange flames. We didn't expect it to be so severe so fast. The blaze was contained pretty quickly. You know, it made us quite nervous because it's very close to our business, but you know, it didn't spread to any neighboring businesses, it doesn't seem. As far as I know, there was no ambulances on scene, so I don't think there was any harm to any people, so.
It's crazy. It is wild with the prices of rent. If they just open another apartment, they can pay this off in a couple hours.